No. Oh, grazie. Bravo,
Oh, him by a travel was over for anymore. Why that baby and Fassa Hannah? I am a man and I don't know some travel or not over for anymore. There's one try that will be
Akua Donkor, February 1952, 28th October 2024, was a Ghanaian farmer and politician. She was the founder and leader of Ghana Freedom Party, GFP. Early life, Akua Donkor was born in February 1952 and hailed from Ejiratia in the Afigya-Kwabre district in the Ashanti region of Ghana, then the Gold Coast. She was a cocoa farmer by profession and was not known to have had any formal education. Personal life, Akua Donkor birthed a daughter who goes by the name Ama Serwa Bonsu. Akua Donkor was initially an assemblywoman for the Heman electoral area in the Afigya-Kwabre district of the Ashanti region. 2012 election. She applied to contest as an independent candidate in the 2012 election to become president of Ghana, but was disqualified by the Electoral Commission on accounts of not meeting the requirements set for the election. She later decided to give her support to Pa Kwesi Nduom of the Progressive People's Party. 2016 election. In January, months before the elections, Donkor's GFP headquarters located at Kabu in the eastern region was gutted by fire. Speaking on the incident, Donkor said the disaster was a test which would not deter her quest to become the president of Ghana. However, on October 10, 2016, the Ghana Electoral Commission announced the disqualification of Akua Donkor, together with 12 other presidential candidates from contesting